Ka sorkar jilla mentaka si ka Southerik nailur arjar pulai kalapin sngo ba ka jingkran bat ka sengking Atiar New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC kan peteng henrei kan hab banlong bat ki nongïalam ki ba shakhmat jongka ka ba ka sorkar kaladep ban pentep saki ha ka bede bat kapor kumju Kuman supentip aka Kyrwoh kabaka HNLC kalapha lengbau General Secretary uba saing kupar nongtrau kum ka khubor saka sorkar lengba ki lap thai khubor kalaong ba ka seng HNLC hadin ke jingyo i ki notis ki bata hakal leng ki chaka ka syam ba ka sorkar ka peni ya ka jinglong arsap namar hapadeng ka jingdon ka jingikran yusuk ki nongïalam jongka ki shakhmat hajir ha ka ïingkashari bat sya panhap kendon kumjuru bandawa na ka sorkar balada ka kwa ya ka jingikran yusuk ban beteng ka sorkar ka de banweng ya baro ki kies persya ya ka HNLC bat khot jongka nakaliang sembut mitrang ba ubak miru ya katrat kampoyeng ba Prestone tensong ulong ka sorkar kala pendep ya ka kamram jongka ban khot ya keren bat menta ka ka jingbishar ka jongki ulong ru ba ka jingsha khot hajir ka de shibenta jong ka jingtrekam jong ka ïingkashari lani ka judiciary ka ba omdan mentai bat ka executive
hakatu ka meeting ngam nokong ngila ekren ni gideki ni ong lu bangin ekren bat ki bor ke bakam halor ndai ban ong tangi tu vice chairman la ni gidi tai ni kwa ban ekren ru ki bor ke balor te laki long serious ni kwa banong ba sngob ha ni the government board central and state ban ni long serious ba bat ke bang kerpat nak liam jo ka sarkar long ba sngob ha ai ka decision communicate chani lengba utu lingman jong ki bat na lengba lingman jong we are ready for the sitting in the days to come. See, let me make it very clear. It is not the government who issued the notice. This is the normal process of the court. Judiciary and executive is already separated. I think you understand that. But see, we had a formal talk just once. And in fact, from our side, from both from the central government and the state government, we have requested them, please speed up. What are the issues wanted for discussion? We are waiting for that. In fact, my appeal to all of them once again to HNLC leaders, be serious, come up, we are waiting for you, then we discuss. Because as I said to you, they should not be so panicky about the warrant issued by the court. There's someone issued by the court. This is a normal process, as I said to you. That's why we would like to process the sitting at the earliest possible. Then we will work out all these issues.
What is the stand of the government? Whether heinous crime will be followed up?
No. Crime is crime. I don't know. What do you mean by saying heinous? See, crime is crime. Whether big or small, but crime is crime and it is subjected to the law. So why should you ask that question? That's what I'm saying. The law takes its own course. When there is any criminal activities, we have to do it. And there is no way out of that. As far as HNLC talk is concerned, I would like to assure them once again, I would like to also request all of them, especially the senior leaders, please come forward. We are waiting for you, both central and the state government, for the talks that we would like to have. We are waiting from their side only. We have already communicated to them. So the ball is now in their court. That's what I'm telling you. The government is waiting for them to reply and fix. And we would like also the next talk that at least secretary or maybe chairman should also be present in the talk.